In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted records in Monday.com. Imagine you've been working diligently on your Monday.com board, managing tasks and tracking progress, but then the unthinkable happens. You accidentally delete a column that was crucial to your project's tracking. It's a common mishap, but don't worry. Monday.com offers a simple way to undo these accidental deletions. First, you'll need to navigate to the Monday.com website. Once there, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the Log In button. You can sign in using your Google account or simply type in the email address associated with your Monday.com account. If you choose to use Google, a prompt will appear to select the email account you wish to use. Suppose you've inadvertently deleted a vital column, such as your progress tracking column. You've missed the quick opportunity to hit undo on the notification pop-up, which can feel daunting, but recovering your data is still within reach. What you need to do next is straightforward. Locate your avatar in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will reveal more menu options. From the drop-down menu, select the Trash option. This will direct you to a screen displaying all items you've deleted within the past 30 days. This feature can be a real lifesaver, providing a safety net for any accidental deletions. To restore your deleted column, look for the checkbox next to the item you wish to recover. It's as simple as ticking the box. Conveniently, Monday.com also offers an option to permanently delete data if you decide it's no longer needed. However, for our purpose today, you'll want to select the Restore option located at the bottom of the page to bring back the deleted data to your board. Once you've restored the data, you might want to exit this recovery window and head back to your board. You can do this by clicking the X button in the upper right corner, which will return you to your main dashboard. There, you should see your once deleted column reappear, seamlessly integrated back into your board. Recovering your data on Monday.com is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that even in cases of accidental deletions, your important information is not lost permanently. With these steps, you can efficiently navigate Monday.com and handle any data disruptions with ease. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and now you can confidently restore any deleted records in Monday.com.